Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Not sure if you noticed, but I did switch my name from Naturally Kiara to Kiara's Kinks. It was time for a change, and why not change before the new year? And this is a style that I am stepping out of my comfort zone with. I did a Frohawk, whatever you want to call it, and a perm rod set. So if you'd like to see what products I used to achieve this style, continue to watch this video. And if you're not subbed, you know what to do. Sub to my channel, because it means a lot when you guys engage in my content and like what I post. So continue to do that, and let's have a great 2020. Guys, usually I record flexi rods and perm rod sets with a mousse, but this time I'm using the twisting buttercream from the Padana collection. So I'm just spraying my hair up first with my new Misty water bottle, and I'm applying the product to my hair just to make sure that it's all in there and penetrated. And now I'm detangling. This is my favorite technique to start out with. I twist my root like I'm doing a 2-strand twist, and then I put my perm rod and I wrap my hair around the rod in a spiral motion. So I think that's really what helped me get the perfect coils, because everyone is always asking how I get my perm rods to come out like this. So this is literally, it doesn't matter what products you use. So I feel like as long as you are wrapping your hair around the rod, it should come out nicely. So yeah, we're gonna do that again. Apply the product, penetrate it onto your hair, make sure that it's all in there so your hair is nice and moisturized, because rods can get a little snagged in the hair. So I'm detangling, making sure that the product is really in my hair, and then I start with the process again. I twist at the root, and then once I'm done, I put my rod, and then I wrap my hair around the rod. 25 rods later, here I am, and I'm using the Luscious Locks hair oil in order to make sure that I do not have any frizz. So I've already separated my hair and pinned up one side. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side with another bobby pin. I used a total of 4 bobby pins for this style, and I am really feeling it. I have not done a perm rod Frohawk ever, so I'm actually really excited with the results. Now to be extra, I'm just using these pearl clips that are like jumbo. I've been seeing so many people use them, and I really like them, and I feel like it gave it a nice little touch. So that is my style. If you like what you see, continue to watch and subscribe to my videos. Continue to leave comments and let me know if you've done this style before, because I'd love to know.